Hey guys, how you doing? This is Arash, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use this new skin detail package in Substance Painter and Unreal Engine. For the first step, you need to drag and drop this PSR file into your Substance library, and you can set it into base material. And here we are. We have the material inside our library, and all you need to do is to drag and drop the material into your layers. You need to set the repeat to none, and now we can place it wherever you need. Okay, let me take export to show you how it's look inside the Unreal Engine.